Yesterday I woke up late. I missed my bus, and I ran to school. Do you know what tense I just used? This is past indefinite tense. We use this tense to talk about things that happened in the past and are finished now. For example, we ate food last night. We went to school tomorrow. Rules for this tense. Rule no one. Helping verb of this tense is did. Rule number 2. For action verbs, we use past form of verbs in this tense. Some past verbs with examples: go, went, eat, ate, sleep, slept, jump, jumped, play, played. I went to park. We ate an apple. I slept early last night. He jumped on a bed. She played with her friend. Rule for helping verb did. When we use did in this tense, we don't use past form of verb. We use present form of verb. Look at these examples. For interrogative sentence of this tense, rule no one. We add did in the start of the sentence. Look at the examples to understand better.